Oh, guys, listen to that sizzle. You're not going to get the same sizzle when you're using the bars. No way. I got this little gem from Amazon, and I didn't know what to think when I got it. I have a big torch that hooked to a 20-pound propane cylinder, but you just put a 1-pounder on it. That's what I liked it. It's made of ballistic polymer along with a rubber overcoating. This is all thick stuff, brass. This is really thick. Just turn the handle a little bit until you can push in, turn it, and then you click on it. Then you get some heat. Guys, that's doing really good right there. It's getting them nice and hot. It doesn't take but a couple minutes. And again, I love the 1-pound propane tank. I think it makes all the difference in the world. This is my old grate, and ready, wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. That's my new grate. Check that out. It's cast iron. I'm gonna cook on it and show you what it can do. The thing about cast iron is it heats evenly. It has even heat distribution. A lot of times when I'm barbecuing chicken and stuff, I'll have hot spots, but with the cast iron, even if you have a hot spot, it's gonna radiate that heat around. And so, yeah, you still can have flare-ups, but your grate is gonna be the same temperature all the way around. Another thing that this cast iron 22.5-inch grate is good for is putting a wok. This is a large cast iron wok, and I'm not gonna leave it there long because I'm cooking chicken, but my wife loves stir fry. And again, because it's cast iron, this is going to always heat evenly. It fits in the circle perfectly. Let me go ahead and put this back. There is nothing like stir fry with one of these. This thing absolutely rocks. And if you like stir fry, you got to get this set up. What I'm gonna do is put a little bit of olive oil on there, some spray olive oil to kind of season that up a little bit, spread out the coals. And then I'm gonna put my world famous chicken on it. Oh yeah, baby, I am racing against a storm right now, and so I'm like, oh no, but you know how I've left the chicken marinating, and I just have to get this chicken on like right now. Oh guys, listen to that sizzle. You're not going to get the same sizzle when you're using the bars. No way. Guys, I'm putting a little pepper on this. Again, we are playing Race the Rain. But if I can get the chicken on, all right. We're going to use a little seasoning salt. And a little onion powder. And a little garlic powder. And we'll do the same thing to the other side. And paprika gets that color on there. Let that sit for a little bit. Guys, I did not beat the rain. It is starting to rain, but the chicken is on there. Right, guys, let's see how it's doing. I thought, honestly, I had a good hour and a half, and it's been pouring, but I've been slow and low. It actually is looking really good. I'll toss it a couple more times, put some more sauce on it. I'm loving the grate. I really do notice a difference in the way
it heats evenly across the board. Let me put that back on there. I don't want the chicken getting all wet with rain. Right, guys, it is pouring rain, but here's the thing. Nothing's gonna stop me from cooking the chicken. Let me see how it looks. Oh, it's perfect, guys. It's perfect. I love it. I can't tell you, I thought I had about an hour and a half of no rain, and it's just pouring out here. I mean, we're getting all kinds of alerts on the Weather Channel and stuff like that. And look, this is what it looks like, guys. Slow and low. Use KC Masterpiece. You already saw the seasoning that I put on it. I'm happy with it. I took a piece, already had some. Delicious. There's nothing like barbecue in the rain. Hoopla!